Here in Ukraine, the mulberry trees make very small, let's see, very small berries. Focus, there we go. And they're very sweet, not like mulberry trees in America for the most part. Not really edible. These are like really, really sweet blackberries. So this whole tree, we will harvest, and it's just outgrowing in an unused, and there are several of these trees around, and we'll fill buckets and buckets with these damn mulberry berries, and make jams and preserves and all kinds of other thing else you can think of. Yeah, frozen berries.